That's
Would
wild.
you? Would you ever be with a girl that was paralyzed?
It wouldn't work.
Why wouldn't it work?
Like,
How
what's
would you work?
paralyzed?
How? What do you mean?
Didn't you
How would it
saw?
work?
No,
She
I
still
wouldn't.
got
No, it doesn't
She
matter.
still
No,
got
no, we're not.
everything. She just
No.
Didn't
paralyzed.
you saw that story about like the father of the dude with no arms and legs getting pussy on a van?
No,
Yeah,
I
Jay
don't know nothing
Prince.
about that.
It was Jay Prince's dad, wasn't it?
Whoa!
I don't know what y'all talking about, bro. I have no idea what y'all talking about, though. What?
Oh man, yeah, that was a
I don't
bad
know what you're
story.
talking about too.
Okay, keep it pushing.
But
No, I have
no,
not been.
a paralyzed chick can still have sex.
No, I would not
Yeah.
have a sex with LR6. No, not at all.
Nah, I don't know about that.
Nah, never.
Nope.
I knew
Next,
one of
Like,
the
I'm not.
I knew
next
one of the
question.
prettiest paralyzed girls I ever seen in my life, bro.
Dear Christ.
And
yeah, but
dudes used to be all on her.
but
She had resources. She was very pretty, and this was when I was younger, so she was older. But people loved that girl. Like they was always trying to talk to her, and they was trying to rock with her.
so there's like a paralyzed woman
Uh,
on IG
No,
with the
I'm
big
telling
booty.
you, she was
Like,
gorgeous. She was
but
gorgeous, and dudes would try to talk to her all the time, bro.
but how do the logistics work when you try to fuck? Right? Does she feel anything? Does like
I would have imagined no, but then at the same time, I've never been with one, so I don't know. But I'm just wondering, you know what I'm saying? Maybe because
yeah,
Quentin fucked everything,
I
so
the
I'm
have
trying to
logistics
been
are
figure out
crazy.
I have
what
been
didn't he hit.
fortunate enough in my life that I don't have to stoop to those levels.
That's not stupid. They need love too, Quentin.
Not for me, nigga.
Yeah, I know about that.
they all do. It's
Somebody said
only
it hit
right.
different. Somebody said it hit different.
Oh wow, my life on
Wow.
wheels.
Wow.
Is he
Yeah,
in a
dude.
wheelchair?
Mr. My Life on Wheels. He's in a wheelchair. Yes, he is.
Ain't no fucking way. Ain't no fucking way.
Why Fatty sound like that? Oh,
Why?
that's nasty.
Why did that just happen to play out like that, bro? Why did that just play out like that, bro? I even beat that shit. I'm just like my life on wheels. Oh man, yo, this can't be real, man. Hold on.
That's crazy. I guess he
Did he
would
type
know.
Oh my
anything else?
god!
Did he type anything else? Hey, just say you not in a wheelchair, dog. Confirm. Please confirm that you're not in a wheelchair, dog. Please, please, bro.
Miss Joy, don't go to bed, Miss Joy. Don't go to bed. Don't go to bed, Miss Joy. Just stick around, baby.
Pistols.
Oh my
Pussy.
god.
Hit different.
Do
He said
y'all
he
know
gonna show
who
up to the next meetup.
Oh, my stomach.
do y'all know who LaBritney is?
Uh-uh.
Oh, who is that, man?
All right, I just found out who LaBritney is recently. Oh god. And somebody sent me her video to react to. So I'm gonna continue to read the super chats throughout the show, but I'm gonna play this for y'all real quick. Hold on a second. Let me pull it up. Y'all
It's
so
on, it's
dumb.
on wheels.
Oh my god. Y'all so dumb. Y'all so immature. Y'all so immature.
Oh, he said he not in a wheelchair.
No, he said for 19 years, I guess.
Y'all
Oh
so
shit.
immature. Y'all so immature. Look at these idiots. What's
Oh
wrong with
God!
y'all?
Oh, there
Y'all
you go.
can't get your
He typing somebody. Hey,
y'all
you gotta
so
come.
y'all so immature.
It's just tell us you're not in the wheelchair, dog.
It don't matter. He's a person just like everybody else.
It don't matter. You right. Oh man.
Have y'all ever hit? Y'all ever hold on? Y'all ever hit a deaf girl?
No, I came close, man. I couldn't. No, man. It
You
just
almost hit a
wasn't
deaf
right.
girl,
It
Slimmy.
wasn't right. Hey, man, she was fine,
Why you ain't hit
and
it?
she
What you
was
mean?
thick.
You don't think she need a little
It,
attention?
man, bro, man. Yeah, it just didn't. It didn't seem right, man. Yeah, man. I was talking to her for a long time, and she would like text, and it would be like the wrong words sometimes, and I think it just all turned me off. But it is, man. It just seemed off, man. I couldn't do it. I couldn't go through with it.
Quinn, would you
And
hit a deaf girl?
Yes.
yeah, I know Quinn would.
Nigga, what? Besides, she can't hear. What's wrong with it? What you mean?
No, man, like, bro.
You need a
All right,
text
so
message, nigga? What you mean?
imagine smacking that. No, bro. No, man. That's gonna be weird, man. She gonna make some weird ass noises. No, man. That's gonna be awkward. No, I'm good.
Hold on. What kind
Mm-mm.
of? What do you mean? Why you say
It,
weird noises?
it's gonna have to be weird noises because like she can't speak. So it's gonna be like weird grunts and stuff, man. I'm not about to even try and impersonate what it's gonna sound like, bro. That shit gonna sound terrible though, bro. It's nah, man. I was cool, bro. I guess I just be thinking about shit too much. I was overanalyzing. I was like, nah, that shit gonna be weird. Yeah, her body was insane, insane. But I just, nah, man. Yeah, exactly, Mister Ray. Know what I'm talking about, man.
I,
Nah,
it,
bro.
I,
Nah, bro.
I can hear
That
the
How would
shit
noises
she
go.
in my.
sound, Quinn?
I can hear the noises in my head that you're
Uh
saying.
oh. Exactly.
Quinn,
See, Quinn, no. See, Quinn, no. No, everybody in the chat know that shit gonna sound crazy, bro.
Quinn,
That shit
what
gonna
would
sound
what,
crazy,
what would
bro. Oh shit!
Quinn? What would it sound like, Quinn?
I don't know. I feel like I've heard them before and indirectly.
That shit. Nah, bro. Yep, 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 yep.
You going to hell for that. Straight to hell.
Why would you do that?
Oh my God! Oh Jesus!
Why would he do
Look at it. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Oh, my stomach.
Oh
My
shit.
stomach, man.
Let me go get some ice. This shit is crazy.
Oh my
And
God!
and sorry, Mister Live on Wheels. I apologize for my bad.
Oh, shit. I can't breathe. I'll get something to drink, man.
What's up, chat? Yo, 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 it's Quentin on the mic. I'm all by myself. What y'all want to know? Hmm.
Y'all are idiots.
The football fan, I don't think that's appropriate, sir.
Y'all are idiots, bro. Oh my God!
I think that sound that he made was adequate. That was the sound that I was hearing in my head. Someone said in the chat like a seal, and I was like, "Yo, that's all right." Like,
Oh my god! I should have
I
just
don't
put
like.
all of y'all on timeout, bro. Oh my god!
This nigga, your car said, "What's your favorite white girl moan sound?" Why do
Mm.
white girls say "oi"? Like, what does that mean? Like, I'm like, what the fuck does "oi" mean? Nigga, are you Japanese or some shit?
Man, my stomach hurt, man.
What do? Hold on, wait. What do? Because I've never actually communicated with a deaf person before.
I used to work in special education. I was the tech guy and the multimedia guy. So when we used to travel all over the state and did facilitations, I came across a lot of disabled people, and they're just normal people. They just can't hear.
But they actually talk though too.
It,
Mm-hmm.
they make noises. They don't really talk. It's just like the noise that Fatty made. That's like shit like that.
It like don't they sound like Chewbacca from Star Wars?
It's like they try to
No,
talk,
no,
but it's
no,
like
no, 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 no. Not all of them. Not all of them. Some of them can
It's
actually
always it's a
speak.
lot of
It just
the,
no, no, man, no. Don't do.
yes, it is.
That's
You
not what
never saw
Chewbacca
it.
sound like.
You never saw a
No,
deaf woman
No,
have like a gentle
no,
moan. They always
no.
like, uh. Always. Quinton, am I lying?
Chewbacca don't sound like that.